Hey Tyler, I lost my keys. Can I take your car?
Fine. Just make sure you keep it clean. I just got it washed. I
Yeah.
hate having a dirty car.
No problem.
Oh, just tap it in. So you just tap it in.
So it's
Give it
like-
a little
it's-
tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Tap, tap, tap the roof.
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
Thanks, bro.
Are you kidding me?
What?
I had one rule. Don't get my car dirty. Look at this. You scratch it right here.
That wasn't me. It was like that.
It was definitely not.
That's not my fault.
You broke
Not
my
my
windshield
fault.
wiper. And you got like goose crap. Okay, either get my car clean or give me $20 to go get it clean.
No.